Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see an official notification which is released by Ministry of Defense. Before going to the video, kindly subscribe our channel to get a regular update regarding the job vacancies notification. Okay, let's see the current notification. In this particular notification, Ministry of Defense has announced recruitment notification to filling up of various kinds of postings and totally 42 vacancies to be filled for Group C level of post. But unfortunately for these vacancies, only male candidates can apply. While coming to the educational qualification, apart from the required experience mentioned in the notification, who have completed secondary qualification, that is 10th standard passed candidates can apply for this vacancy. Based on the post what the candidates applying for, the salary level is about to 18,000 to 45,700 and the age limit for the candidate should be 18 to 27 years. Also, as per notification, for some candidates who are applying for this vacancy, the age relaxation also been given. As per the official notification, the mode of selection will be written test followed by practical, trade and physical test. The applicants can apply for this post over only offline. That is, the candidate fulfilling the prescribed eligibility criteria should download and print the application attached in the notification herewith by filling your academic qualification and other related information as per the instruction. No need to send any original document. The hard copies of signed application along with the copy of relevant document which is duly self-attested by the applicant have to be sent. Those details and documents as per the call should be addressed to the particular address which is also maintained in the official notification. Also, candidates will enclose a self-addressed envelope affixing postal stamp of ₹45 along with the application. This may be required for dispatch of acknowledgement or admit card. The applicants who are applying for this vacancy by sending their copy of particulars along with the application have to send through registered post or speed post or normal post, but the application posted through courier will not be accepted. The starting date for submitting application is May 22nd, 2021 and the last date for submission of application, that is, the application should reach their hand on or before June 11th, 2021. For any further more detail or clarification, please visit official website or please refer official notification. Those link I have given in the description. And meet you guys with another one good employment information. Until then, bye.